Yes, I'm Marwan Hannon, President and CEO of Driving Management Systems, Inc. Our company has developed a platform we call the DMS platform. And we call it the DMS platform because the system serves multiple functions. The first one being the no-com system, which disables mobile devices around the driver. It doesn't impact any of the passengers, only the driver. Unlike other systems in the marketplace, we do not focus on a specific device, but rather the area that the driver covers. And we do not require the driver to opt into the system. It's a fully automated system. Once our platform is installed in the vehicles and our software is embedded in the phones, once the ignition is started, the no-com system and the phone will communicate to disable the phone. The driver can still make phone calls, receive phone calls, using voice commands via Bluetooth or hands-free. The DMS platform, in addition to disabling mobile devices to include wearables as well, also has a breathalyzer feature. The breathalyzer will be around the driver again. It does not encompass any of the passengers, but what it will do is once alcohol is detected, it will alert the driver alcohol has been detected, and it can also alert parents that alcohol has been detected should their young teenagers be driving around. We are currently working on improving the breathalyzer system to calibrate it to reach the legal limit of 0.08 so that when the alcohol is detected at that level, the car ignition will be disabled. And future applications for the DMS platform include user-based insurance. We'll be able to identify who the driver is, unlike existing systems in the marketplace. And we will also be able to accelerate the introduction of aftermarket vehicles into the mainstream to communicate with the new cars coming off the assembly plant.
So what are these devices you have down there?
This is the DMS platform right now.
Okay.
And once development is finished, it will be the size of a chip that will be embedded in a vehicle in a CAN bus or an area inaccessible to the driver. And here I will give you a demonstration of how the no-com system works. As you can see, I'm holding up a Samsung phone that is currently enabled. And once I bring it to the driver area, the phone is disabled. As you can see, we can't do anything like texting, reading emails, going on the internet, or doing anything.
Okay, so what's the secret sauce? How'd you do that?
I can't tell you the secret sauce unless you sign an NDA.
So no one else has this technology, huh?
That's correct. We have patents on the system. We've been issued 2 patents by the United States Patent Office, a 3rd patent pending, and we filed for patents overseas as well. Now, we've been asked what happens if somebody reaches over to the passenger side to use their device. We have it locked out for 10 seconds to keep a driver from even being tempted to use the system. So it's unmanageable that any driver, although I'm sure there will be 1 or 2 who will try to text while holding their phones at reach. Now, if they bring the phone back into the driver area, it's disabled.
So what is it you wish people knew about this whole system that you developed?
The system that we've developed is a system to prevent behavior that results in injuries and deaths to people on the road.
And what inspired you to do this?
I do a lot of driving, and I've had many near misses from people who are using their phones on the road. It's amazing that even with these laws on the books, that you cannot hold your phone, you need to use hands-free or some kind of Bluetooth device that people still hold their phones, or that people are still, while driving on the freeways, holding their phones down by the shift and trying to drive at the same time. It's a very dangerous proposition, and we don't jam any of the signals that are coming in. All we do is disable the keypad for the driver. The passengers are free to do whatever they like, whatever infotainment system is in the car, but the driver is really going to be focused on driving and protecting the passengers and the people on the road next to them.
And how much will this cost?
We're looking in the aftermarket arena, approximately $300, $400.
And will you have parental control a parental control feature?
We will have parental control for parents who want to have some information about their child's driving ability.
Okay, well, thank you very much.
You're welcome. Would you like to see the breathalyzer system?
Are you drunk right now?
No, but I do have a bottle of wine. Okay. Here's how our breathalyzer system works. I will press the button here, and the system, the breathalyzer system, will sample the air around the driver. And right now, the light is green, which indicates there's no alcohol. I'll just open this bottle of wine and just put it near the breathalyzer and press the button again. And what you'll see is that the light will change to red, indicating that there's alcohol detected. And a message appears on the mobile device letting the driver know that alcohol has been detected. They might be a little too drunk to drive. Would they like to call a cab or have one of their friends contacted? This is all done automatically.